And that's how you set up 10 extra Facebook ad accounts. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to go ahead and set up more ad accounts. So the first thing you guys have to do is you have to spend at least $50 on your account before you can go ahead and open up 5 more ad accounts. So what we're going to go to is go to business settings. By the way, if you guys need someone to work with one-on-one to take you guys through processes like this, one-on-one, handheld by me, sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below. But let's go to add account, and now let's add create new account. I'm going to name it A2. Next, my business, create. Assign, close, add, create new account. It's as simple as this. And I like to name them A1, A2, A3, A4. It just makes it easy to keep track of everything. And the reason why you might want to have a lot of ad accounts is because it gives you backup. Facebook does oftenly, ban and hold back certain accounts when you sort of maybe made a mistake, or maybe Facebook made an error on their end. That's why you want many ad accounts as backups. And eventually you want to prime each ad account, and you want to have ads in all ad accounts as backup. So if one ad account is down, you'll have campaigns running on other ad accounts to back it up. And what you want to do is you want to open as many as possible. The more, the better. If this video is helpful, be sure to drop a like below. Drop any comments you have whatsoever. I've been answering all comments as well as answering all my DMs, so you could slide into my Instagram DMs as well. And that's about it. We've reached the maximum limit, so I'm going to stick to 5. And what you could do is you could even make another business manager and have another 5 on that business manager. So you could have 10 per Facebook ad account. It's as simple as that. So if this video helped whatsoever, be sure to subscribe, because I'm dropping videos every single day. So don't forget to do that, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.